When I bought my car, I'd got a problem with the air conditioning that wasn't running. Turns out there was a leak on one of the pipes that goes from the condenser. Wasn't sure which one, so I've ended up replacing both of them as well as the condenser. You can see in the state of the old condenser here, so it was well worth replacing that. Pipes, Audi wanted £300 each for them. Managed to find them from a company called Autodoc based in Germany for £80 each, so rather than 600 it cost me 160. And then from GSF the condenser was £84. The front of the car has to come off to allow you to do the replacement. So the bumper, there's a crash bar underneath here, the two headlights, and then various bolts here allows this front section to move forward, which then gives you access to be able to get the condenser out, and then with the headlight out it gives better access for threading this thinner pipe through, which also was what needed to be replaced. So that's all now done, and when we actually go in the car, the aircon is now running nice and cold.